of perpendicular and image problems for object purpose, exclusive for object purpose only. Okay. Now the first question is, I think you remember these two formulae. Okay, foot of perpendicular and image. The first one is the nearest point on the line. The nearest point on the line. The nearest point on the line. 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 from origin. So that is the question. So the nearest point on the line from origin. So there is a line. Let us suppose this is the line. What is that line? 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. And origin is somewhere. Let us suppose origin is here. What will be the shortest distance? These are all distances from origin to the given line. The shortest distance is nothing but the perpendicular distance. Okay. So this will be the least distance, OP. So OP is equal to perpendicular distance, which is shortest distance. Shortest distance. So what about P? P is nothing but the foot of perpendicular. So they can't ask like directly find the foot of perpendicular in the another way. So now P is equal to foot of perpendicular. What is the formula? Let us suppose this is h comma k, and how to find foot of perpendicular? H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y. This is, compare this with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and this one as x1 comma y1. Now minus 1 is equal to minus of, substitute the point here, 0 minus 0 plus 5 by 2 square plus minus 1 whole square. That is 4 plus 1, 5, minus 5 by 5, that is equal to minus 1. So h by 2 is equal to minus 1, h is equal to minus 2, and in the same way k by minus 1 is equal to minus 1, k is equal to 1. Now the foot of perpendicular h comma k is equal to minus 2 comma 1. So which is the nearest point on the line from origin? So question ila kuda adagachu. From there is a point origin. Find the point on the line which is the nearest. Nearest point at a distance em undali, must it should be perpendicular distance only. Okay, that should be the perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance ayindante that point is nothing but foot of perpendicular. Okay, now one more problem. Next question. A comma b are 2 points on 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and P1 comma 2 and P1 comma 2 such that PA is equal to PV. PA is equal to PV. Then the midpoint of AB, then midpoint of AB is equal to what is that point? Okay. You see, that question is A comma B are 2 points on the line. Let us suppose this is a line. What is that line? 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And there are 2 points on the line. Let us suppose these 2 points are AB. And there is a point P such that PA is equal to PV. Okay? PA is equal to PV. Kodak subject chudandi. Oka line undi. There is a student called A and here is one more student called B. And I am going to walk in such a way, I am always equal distance between these two students. Okay na? A ఇటు కూర్చున్నాడు, B ఇటు కూర్చున్నాడు. వాళ్ళిద్దరు కలవట్లేదు. ఒక లైన్ మీద ఉన్నారు, నాకు బెంచ్లో కూర్చున్నారు. But I have to walk in such a way, I am always equidistant to these two. Equal distance లో ఉండేలాగా నేను నడవాలి. అంటే ఎలా నడవాలి అని చెప్పండి. నేను ఎలా ఉండొచ్చు? ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు. అంటే this distance will be the same. లేదా ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు. ఇలా అంటే my path is just like a foot of perpendicular. అంటే పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టార్ మోడల్లో నేను వెళ్ళాలి. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ గా ఉండాలి, నేను బైసెక్ట్. దిస్ విల్ బి మై పాత్. నేను ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు ఈ పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర. సో మై పాత్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద పాత్. ద P walking is like these are the two students. And here is a point. A P అనే పాయింట్ ఎలా మూవ్ అవ్వాలి అంటే లోకస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్. P is such a way it is always equidistant from A and B. A కి B కి ఇద్దరికి సేమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ లో నేను నడవాలి. అప్పుడు ఆ వాక్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఆ పాత్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టార్. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టార్. సో ద లోకస్ ఆఫ్ P is PA is equal to PB. That implies locus of P is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. I should walk like this on the way, on the road, like it is which is perpendicular and bisect the path. Okay. Now the midpoint of AB. Now midpoint of AB is this one. Okay, am I right or wrong? So what is given? P is given. P is anywhere. You take P here or P here, anywhere. We have to find the midpoint of P. This line is given. So this point is nothing but foot of perpendicular from this line, from this point to this line. So P is equal to foot of perpendicular from P to 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నా చూడండి. Here is a line. Here is one point A and another point B. There is a point P such that P అనే పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు, ఎక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు ఆన్ ద లైన్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉండొచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ది మిడ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ AB? దిస్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ C. సో P అనేది ఒక ఫుట్ ఇలా పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డ్రా చేస్తే దిస్ విల్ బి ద ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్. ఓకే, సో what is the formula? This is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And what about the point there? P is equal to 1 comma 2, which is equal to our expansion x1 comma y1. So h minus 1 by 2 is equal to k minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to minus of, you substitute this point here, 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 3 by 2 square plus minus 1 whole square. That is h minus 1 by 2, k minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to 2 gets cancelled, minus 3 by 5. Now h minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 5. H is equal to 1 minus 6 by 5, that is minus 1 by 5. And k minus 2 by minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 5, which implies k is equal to 2 plus 3 by 5, that is 13 by 5. Now what about h comma k? That is minus 1 by 5 and 13 by 5. This is the solution. అంటే different గా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ఇవ్వచ్చో చూడండి ఎగ్జామ్ కి సంబంధించి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పర్పస్. టేక్ ఏ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఫర్ దోస్ టూ క్వశ్చన్స్. Okay, now the next question. See the next question. Completely we are going to discuss on today we are going to complete the problems based on foot of perpendicular and image. Those are very important for intermediate purpose and also objective only. For intermediate purpose, image and foot of perpendicular theorem proofs are also important. I explained the proofs also. You have to practice those proofs. Okay? And today by 4:30 I am going to conduct the live study hour as usual. Wednesday, because today is Wednesday and Saturday, I am going to conduct the study hours, live study hour on YouTube channel. Okay? So if you have any doubt, be prepared with your doubts. And post your doubt, I will explain as I can. Okay. Now the next question on this model is, you see this question. Next question is, the foot of perpendicular. Third question, if the foot of perpendicular, if the foot of perpendicular from -4, 5 to the line 3x minus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0 is alpha, beta, then alpha plus beta is equal to. It's a simple question, I think so, because directly they asked the foot of perpendicular. Directly I am writing that one, h minus x1 by 3 is equal to k minus y1 by minus 4 is equal to minus of 3 into minus 4 minus 4 into 5 minus 18 by 3 square plus minus 4 square. You solve that question. Okay, you find the answer for that question. I am not doing that one because I did many problems. Next, one more question. The points A1, 2 and B3, minus 4, B3, minus 4 are two vertices of a rectangle ABC, and P3, 8 lies on CD produced. P3, 8 lies on CD produced. Then C is equal to, that will be the question. It's one of the good question. So you see, A1, 2, B3, 4 are two vertices of a rectangle ABC. Let us suppose this is a rectangle ABCD. Okay. Now what about the point A? This is 1, 2 and this one is 3, minus 4. And there is a point P3, 8 lies on the CD produced. CD producer and CD producer. That means if we extend the line CD, we can extend the line CD like this. We can extend the line CD. This will be CD. And there is a point P3, 8 here. Or anywhere, you can take here, whatever might be the place you can. Okay? Now, what we have to find? Then what about the value of C? That is the question. C vertex. We have to find the C vertex or D. No problem. Okay? How to find this now? Okay? I think you have clarity on this question. ABCD is a rectangle. Two vertices are given and one point is given on the extension of the line CD bar. Okay? Now we have to find the remaining two vertices. Either C or D, the same procedure, no problem. Now you see how to find this one. You know that very well, because it is a rectangle, this is perpendicular. Now, if you find this line, now C is nothing but the foot of perpendicular from B to this line. So this is like this. So this will be the foot of perpendicular from B. And what about D? D also foot of perpendicular. D also foot of perpendicular from A. Okay. Now we have to find this equation. If you know the equation, you can use the formula. Foot of perpendicular. Okay. So first we have to find this equation. So how to find this equation? Whenever to find an equation of straight line, we require two things. One is a point, other one is slope. So we have a point. And what about the slope? Because this line is parallel to this one, the slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. So we know the slope at this point, we can find the equation. Now the solution is, since AB is parallel to CD, slope of CD is equal to slope of AB, what is the slope of AB? Minus 4 minus 2 by 3 minus 1, minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. Now, equation of CD bar, there is a point P, 3 comma A, y minus y1 is equal to minus 3 of x minus x1. Now, the equation is 3x plus y, and this is 9 minus 17 is equal to 0. Okay? We verify the point whether our point is correct or line is correct or wrong. Just to verify this point. 9 plus 8, 17 minus 17. Okay. So this is the equation. So we have this equation is 3x plus y minus 17 is equal to 0. So we have this line and here point. So C is nothing but, therefore C is equal to foot of perpendicular from B 3 comma minus 4 to the line 3x plus y minus 17 is equal to 0. So what about the point? H minus 3 by 3 is equal to k plus 4 by 1 is equal to, this is we have to consider as x1 y1, and this one is ax1 plus by1, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Now is equal to minus of, substitute the point, 3 into 3 minus 4 minus 17 by 3 square plus 1 square. You simplify, you will get the solution. And in the same way, D is equal to, D is also foot of perpendicular from where? D is nothing but the foot of perpendicular from A to the same line. From A 1 comma 2 to the line. What about the line? 3x plus y minus 17 is equal to 0. You find that one also. Okay. Next question. Fifth question. Okay. Now the question is 2x plus 3y plus 4 is the perpendicular bisector. If 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, is the perpendicular bisector, is perpendicular bisector of the segment joining A1 comma 2 B alpha comma beta, then alpha plus beta is equal to how much? That is the question. Okay? You see that question, we have to read the question carefully. In geometry, particularly geometry, we have to read the question carefully. That is very important. This line is the perpendicular bisector of the line joining. Okay? Now you see, A and B are there. Suppose A is here, B is here. A is 1 comma 2 and B is alpha comma beta. Or you can draw like this also. Here is A 1 comma 2 and here is B alpha comma beta. Okay? You can draw like any of these two. And perpendicular bisector. What is meant by perpendicular bisector? Which the line which is perpendicular and bisect the given line. Bisect and correct ga sagani cut chestundi. So this will be the perpendicular bisector. Or you can write like this also. This will be the perpendicular bisector. Okay? This will be the perpendicular bisector. Then find the value of B alpha comma beta. This is perpendicular bisect. Bisect means this divides the line. This line divides the AB bar into two equal parts. That means this length is equal to this length. If these two lengths are equal, then B is called the image of A with respect to this line. Okay? Now, you can draw the diagram like any of these two ways, but you know that perpendicular bisector means this is perpendicular bisector of this line. Perpendicular bisector of this line. So the distance of these two is equal to distance of these two. So this point is nothing but the image of this one with respect to this line. So perpendicular bisector the image, the mirror. దీని ఇమేజ్ ఇక్కడ పడింది. ఓకే, సో ద ఇమేజ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ బి ఆల్ఫా బీటా విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు దిస్ లైన్. ఎలా అయినా ఓకే, ఇలా ఉండొచ్చు. ఇది పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బేసిస్, దీని ఇమేజ్ ఇక్కడ పడింది. ఓకే, నౌ బి ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు image of a 1 comma 2 with respect to the line. What is that line? 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. How to find the image? Formula is same. H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus b by y1 is equal to minus 2 into foot of perpendicular, just minus of minus 2 into, just you substitute the point here, 2 of 1, 3 of 2 plus 4 by 2 square plus 3 square. That is h minus 1 by 2 is equal to k minus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 plus 6, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 into 2, 24 by 4 plus 9, 13. Correct enough? 2 plus 6, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 into 2, 24 by 13. ఏదైనా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎర్రర్ ఉంటే మీరు చూసుకోండి, సార్ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. సో h minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 24 by 13. h is equal to 1 minus 48 by 13, that is minus 35 by 13, and k minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 24 by 13. k is equal to 2 minus 72 by 13, that is 26. 26 అంటే 72 minus 26 అంటే 36. 46 కదా, 46 by 13 minus 46 by 13. If there is any correction, you do that problem. Minus 35 by 13 minus 46 by 13. So that will be the solution for that question. Okay. What we have to find? Alpha plus beta. So this is alpha beta. Question adiginది the alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta is equal to, what is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to, LCM is 13 minus 35 minus 46, 70, 81 by 13 వచ్చింది. చూడండి, ఏదైనా కరెక్షన్ ఉంటే మీరు చూడండి. So answer is there. So my answer is correct. So take a screenshot for this question. Singer ఒకసారి అంటే చూడండి ఒకసారి. టెంపరేచర్ హై గా వస్తుంది. Okay. Okay, next question. See the next one. So the concept of foot of perpendicular and image, very very important for intermediate purpose and objective purpose. There are many other concepts depend on this concept, image and foot of perpendicular. So we have to read carefully, that is very important. If you have any doubt, just post your doubts in the group. or today is Wednesday, so by 4:30 get ready with your doubts in my live studio. Okay, I will try to explain. Just post your doubts. Next question. Which one it is? Either 6th or 7th question. Okay. See, the question is yes, it is 6th question. See that one? The equations of perpendicular bisectors of sides AB comma BC of triangle ABC are x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, x plus 2y is equal to 0 respectively, and respectively and A1 comma minus 2, then C is equal. Then what about C is equal? You see that question. Okay, so there is a triangle named as ABC. So this is a triangle ABC. What is A? 1 comma minus 2. Okay, now AB, perpendicular bisector. This is perpendicular. This line is the first line. What is that line? X minus y minus 5 is equal. This is perpendicular bisector of side AB. AB side ni correct ga sagani cut chestundi this line. Next, what about the second line? BC. This is BC. Okay, ee BC kuda that line bisects half perpendicular bisector. What about this line? This is nothing but x plus 2y is equal to 0. So this is the information given in the question. What we have to find? C. That is, we have to find. In a triangle, one vertex is given and two are the perpendicular bisectors is given. We have to find the coordinate of C. How to find? You see, simple question. A, B, C. This is A, B and C. This is a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector means this distance is equal to this one. Now B is equal to image of A with respect to B. Okay, now this distance is equal to this one. So this point is nothing but the image of this one, A. So we can find B is equal to image of A with respect to this line. So we have B. Next, what about C? This is also perpendicular bisector, which means this distance is equal to this one. Now C is equal to image of B with respect to this line. So B is image of A and C is image of B. Okay, now B is equal to image of A 1 comma minus 2 with respect to x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So how to find the image? H minus 1 by 1 is equal to k plus 2 by minus 1 is equal to minus 2 of 1 minus of minus 2 minus 5 by 1 square plus minus 1 square. So what about this value? So that is H minus 1 is equal to k plus 2 by minus 1 is equal to 3 minus 5. 3 minus 4 minus 2. 4 by 2, that is equal to 2 only. See, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 5, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 4 by 1 plus 1, 2. 4 by 2, 2. So, equating these two, H minus 1 is equal to 2. H is equal to 3. Equating these two, K plus 2 is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 4. Now B is equal to, what about B? 3 comma minus 4. So this point is 3 comma minus 4. This wrong అయితే automatically C కూడా wrong వస్తుంది. So So we have to do carefully. Now C is equal to image of B3 comma minus 4. C is equal to image of this point with respect to this line. With respect to x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now h minus 3 by 1 is equal to k plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2 of 3 plus 2 into minus 4 by 1 square plus 2 square. That is equal to 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 minus 5 minus 5 into minus 2 10. 10 by 5 that is equal to 2. So h minus 3 is equal to 2, which implies h is equal to 5. K plus 4 is equal to 2 into 2 4. Now k is equal to 0. Now the coordinates of C is 5 comma 0. Okay, it's very simple question. కాబట్టి కొద్దిగా లెంగ్తీగా ఉంటాయని కొద్దిగా జాగ్రత్త చేసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, 7th question. What is that? The equation of perpendicular bisectors of, then the equation, next one, the equation of perpendicular bisector. మీకు ఈ మంచి కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్తున్నాం. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు వర్క్ హార్డ్. పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టార్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏబి కామా ఏసి ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి ఆర్ x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Say x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 2y is equal to 0. If a is equal to 1 comma minus 2, then find equation of BC bar. That's the question. Same idea question as is same points and same equation. What is B equation of by the above theorem? We have B is equal to 3 comma minus 4 and C is equal to 5 comma 0. What about the equation of BC bar? Tell me. Equation of BC bar is equal to y minus 0 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus 5. ఇదే క్వశ్చన్కి ఎక్స్టెన్షన్. బీసీ ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోమన్నా. బి తెలుసు, సి తెలుసు. ఇలాంటిది సేమ్ డయాగ్రమ్, సేమ్ పాయింట్స్ అండ్ సేమ్ లైన్. ఓకే, సో వీ హ్యావ్ ద 2 points. We have to find this equation. Whenever 2 points are known, then what will be the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x0. That is y is equal to 4 by 2. That is 2 of x minus 5. That implies 2x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Next question. The vertex of an equilateral triangle is the vertex of an equilateral triangle is 2 comma minus 1 and the side opposite and the side opposite to it is x plus y is equal to 2. Then find orthocenter of the triangle. Then find the orthocenter. ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు కదా కాన్సెప్ట్ అనుకోకండి. Orthocenter of triangle. That will be the question. Okay. So what is the question? The vertex of an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. ABC. One vertex A is given 2 comma minus 1 and this side is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to find what we have to find orthocenter of the triangle. For an equilateral triangle, I think you know very well. For equilateral triangle, orthocenter, circumcenter, centroid, incenter all are coincide. Equilateral triangle అన్ని ఒకటే పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఉంటాయి. ఇన్సెంటర్ నా, సర్కంసెంటర్, ఆర్థోసెంటర్, centroid, all are same. So this line is just nothing but altitude or foot of perpendicular or median, ఏదైనా అదే చెప్పొచ్చు. That line is same. Now first you find the point D. So this D is nothing but foot of perpendicular. Okay, one vertex is given, one side is given. So first you find the point D. How to find D? AD is nothing but perpendicular line or altitude. Okay, this is foot of perpendicular. So when we know this point, this is a median, altitude, angular bisector, because it is an equilateral triangle. And the equilateral triangle kabatti median anna or median anna perpendicular bisector anna angular bisector anna same. Kabatti this is altitude perpendicular kabatti you find foot of perpendicular. Now you will get D point వచ్చేసి ఏ తెలుసు D తెలుసు మీడియన్ కదా altitude కదా అన్ని సేమే కదా కాబట్టి సెంట్రాయిడ్ అనేది సెంట్రాయిడ్ కనుక్కుంటే దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ది ఆర్థో సెంటర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైందా మీకు వాడు ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ట్విస్ట్ చూసుకోండి అంటే ఇది కూడా ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ నౌ D is equal to foot of perpendicular from A solution మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం from A 2 comma minus 1 to x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Am I right? Now that is h minus 2 by 1 is equal to k plus 1 by 1 is equal to minus of just foot of perpendicular. So minus of 2 minus 1 minus 2 by 1 plus 1. So 2 gets cancelled. This is 1 by 2. So from this we can say that h minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now h is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. What about k? K plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now k is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now the point D is equal to 5 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is A. A is equal to 2 comma minus 1. What about D? 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So we have, this is median, but centroid G divides in the ratio 2:1. So here G is equal to orthocenter. G is equal to orthocenter is equal to circumcenter is equal to incenter. For which triangle? Equilateral triangle. So G is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So this is equal to 2 to cancel, 5 plus 2, 7 by 3, 2 to cancel, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 by 3. So this will be the centroid or orthocenter, whatever it is. Now take a screenshot for this question. Okay, next question. So today we are going to discuss we are discussing all the problems that are depends on foot of perpendicular and image. You see how many problems are there, and such type of questions are very important for objective purpose. Okay, so you read the formula of foot of perpendicular and image, and also you learn that proof of foot of perpendicular and image, that's also very important for IPE also. So straight line we are discussing intermediate problems and as well as objective problems also. Okay, So you take Telugu Academy textbooks and do the problems in straight lines. If you feel any difficulty in any problem, you just post that problem, or today 4:30 you ask in live study. Okay. Now the next question. Now the next question is the locus of foot of perpendicular. Which one it is? It is 7th or 8th? 9th question. Very good. Now 9th question is the locus of feet of perpendiculars drawn. The locus of feet of perpendiculars drawn from the locus of feet of perpendiculars drawn from origin to the line passing through to the line passing through 2, 1. I think this problem is there in locus also. You can do this problem in locus concept. You see, the locus of feet of perpendiculars drawn from origin to the line passing through 2, 1. So there is a line which is passing through 2, 1. This line is passing through 2, 1. Now this will be the perpendicular. This is foot, where the perpendicular is drawn from origin. Am I right? So we drawn a perpendicular from origin to a variable line which is passing through 2, 1. Find the locus of this feet of perpendiculars. Okay. Now let us suppose x, y. Then మనం ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఫార్ములా ఇచ్చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. There is no necessity to use that formula. Just you see, this line is perpendicular to this one. So whenever two lines are perpendicular, the product of the slopes is equal to -1 only. So let us suppose OP and this is A. OP is perpendicular to PA. That implies slope of OP is perpendicular to PA bar. Now slope of OP into slope of PA is equal to, product is -1. So what about the slope of this one? Y minus 0 by x minus 0 into slope of this one, y minus 1 by x minus 2, which is equal to -1. Now y of y minus 1 is equal to minus of x into x minus 2. So x of x minus 2 plus y of y minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2x minus y is equal to 0. So that will be the locus of this one. అంటే locus ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే ఇక్కడ locus ఏంటంటే this will be the diagonal. The locus is a circle. ఇలా మూవ్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట circle. feet of perpendicular. ఈ feet of perpendicular ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు మారుతూ ఉంటుంది feet of perpendicular. Okay. Now one more question. That is, A and B are 2 points on x, y axis. A and B are 2 points on axis. Axis means x axis and y axis. Axis Ax is such that those 2 points are like such that OA plus OB is equal to some small c. Then the locus of foot of perpendicular from origin, then the locus of foot of perpendicular from origin to the line AB bar. That is the question. Okay. You see that question? A and B are 2 points on axis. I will draw the diagram here. So you see, A and B are 2 points like this. This is A and B, and this one is origin. So A and B are 2 points of axis such that OA plus OB, OA plus OB, this distance OA plus OB is equal to some constant C. Find the locus of foot of perpendicular drawn from origin to the line. Origin to the line. E point locus కనుక్కోవాలి. We have to find the locus of this point. Origin నుంచి perpendicular డ్రా చేస్తే we have to find the locus of this foot of perpendicular. Okay? So I am assuming this point as h comma k. Okay? Climax లో h comma k separate తీసేసి ఏం రాస్తాం మనం x comma y, because I am taking this point as locus point. At final we have to write the locus means x comma y. అమాట గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. So this is h comma k. I am going to find this line. ఈ లైన్ ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోండి. How to find a line? If you know the slope and a point, we have the point. Then how to find the slope? This point is 0, 0 and this line is perpendicular to this one. But we know this point and this point, so we can find the slope of this line. Okay? By knowing the slope of this line, we can find the slope of this one because these two are perpendicular. Now, let h comma k be the foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular. OP bar slope. OP slope is equal to k minus 0 by h minus 0, that is k by h. And AB bar is perpendicular to OP bar. Now what about the slope of AB? Slope of AB is equal to minus h by k. The line slope k by h. Then what about the slope? Minus h by k. Correct na? Okay. Now the equation of this one. Now h comma k slope enta minus h by k. Point is this one. ఈ లైన్ మీద ఉన్న పాయింట్ h comma k. What about the slope of this line? Minus h comma. ఎలా వచ్చింది? ఈ లైన్ స్లోప్ k by h. What about the slope? Minus h by k. And we have this point. We have a point and slope. Then equation of AB bar is equal to y minus y1 is equal to minus h by k into x minus h1. So that is equal to ky minus k square is equal to minus hx plus h square. So hx plus ky is equal to h square plus k square. Now hx plus ky by, now I am writing this equation as h by hx by this one ky by h square plus k square is equal to 1. Okay? Now this can be written as x by h square plus k square by h plus y by h square plus k square by k is equal to 1. Okay? నేనేం చేశాను చూడండి. I am going to find this equation. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోబోతున్నాను. ఎలా? పాయింట్ టు స్లోప్ తెలియాలి. వాట్ అబౌట్ ద పాయింట్ h comma k? స్లోప్ ఎంత? దిస్ లైన్ స్లోప్ is k by h. ఈ లైన్ స్లోప్ minus h by k. y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1 ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేశాను. యూజ్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ మొత్తం కనుక్కున్నాను. సింప్లిఫై చేసుకొని ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఫార్ములా రాసుకున్నాను. ఎందుకు ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఫార్ములా రాసుకున్నాము? ఇక్కడ మనకు తెలియాల్సింది OA. This is called x-intercept. Okay? OA plus OB is equal to C. That is given. OA means x-intercept plus y-intercept. OB means y-intercept. Y-intercept is equal to C. What is x-intercept there? H square plus k square by h plus y-intercept. H square plus k square by k is equal to C. Now you take h square plus k square as common. So we have 1 by h plus 1 by k is equal to C. Now h square plus k square LCM is hk, k plus h is equal to C. Now cross multiply చేసుకోండి. h square plus k square of h plus k is equal to C into hk. Correct na? C into HK. Okay. Now the locus C into C ne constant. Therefore, the locus of H comma K is, and H comma K is x square of x square plus y square of x plus y is equal to C into xy. Okay now? Write down the question. Okay, next question. Okay, next tomorrow I am going to discuss the same concept with optimization, maximum distance, minimum distance. That is exclusive for advanced questions. మన ఎంసెట్ కానీ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కానీ సంబంధం లేదు క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, సో ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మొత్తం మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్గా నేర్చుకోండి. ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్, ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. వీ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ కాన్సెప్ట్, దట్ ఈస్ ఆర్థో సెంటర్, సర్కిల్ సెంటర్, ఇన్ సెంటర్. దెన్ దేర్ విల్ బి ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ స్టాప్. ఓకే, మ్యాక్సిమం 10 days లో విల్ ఫినిష్ దిస్ టాపిక్. ఇట్ క్యారీస్ 50 marks in intermediate out of 75 marks. Remember that. It is a huge topic in geometry. Now the question is, and the 11th question, whatever it is, if minus 2 comma 6, if minus 2 comma 6 is the image of 4 comma 2 with respect to line, with respect to the line L, then equation of L is, that is the question. Minus 2 comma 6 is the image of one point, 4 comma 2. What about the solution? You see here, here is a point minus 2 comma 6. Here is a point minus 2 comma 6. The image of minus 2 comma 6 with respect to this line, this is the line, is 4 comma 2. This is 4 comma 2. The image of this point with respect to this line is 4 comma 2. And the point to the image, we have to find this equation. Okay? Ela? Very simple. Concept idea unte chalu. Whenever to find an equation, we require two things. One is point, other one is slope. What about the point? This point is midpoint. This one is, let us suppose this is A, B and this is P. This perpendicular bisector kada. Now, ela this perpendicular bisector ani image antene meaning adi. So, this P is equal to midpoint of that one. So, we have the point. Then what about the slope? This line is perpendicular to this one. So, we know these 2 points. So, you can find the slope of this line. So, directly you can find the slope of that line also. Okay. Now, that is P is equal to midpoint of AB. What about the midpoint there? Minus 2 plus 4 by 2, 6 plus 2 by 2. That is 2 comma 4. That is P. So we have the point P. Now the slope of AB. AB slope. What about the slope of AB? 2 minus 6 by 4 plus 2. That is minus 4 by 6. Minus 2 by 2. Since L is perpendicular to AB bar, that implies slope of L is equal to 0 is 3 by 2. The line slope minus 2 by 3. Then what about this slope is simply 3 by 2. Now equation of line, equation of the line L is equal to 0 is, here we have the point y minus y1 is equal to this one into slope, that is 2y minus 8 is equal to 3x minus 6. 3x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now I will give one more problem. And there is a question in the yesterday's assignment, that is prove that the feet of perpendiculars from origin lines on the lines, the feet of perpendiculars from origin to the lines. What about the lines? X plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 5y minus 26 is equal to 0. And 15x minus 27y is equal to 424 are collinear. The points are collinear. So first we have to find foot of perpendicular. You see, read the question. The feet of perpendicular from origin to these three lines. So we have to find the foot of perpendicular for this line, foot of perpendicular for this line, foot of perpendicular for this line. These two lines are, 3 points are collinear. Collinear means lie on the same line. Okay. Now h minus 0 by 1 is equal to k minus 0 by 1 is equal to minus of 0 plus 0 minus 4 by 1 plus 1. Then what about h comma k? Now h comma k, one point as here is 4 by 2 comma 2. So one point is 2 comma 2. Now for the second line, h minus 0 by 1, k minus 0 by 5 minus of minus 26 by 1 plus 25. 1 plus 25, 26 cancel. Then what about here h comma k? This is 1 comma 5. Okay. In the same way, third, h minus 0 by 5 is equal to k minus 0 by, this is 15. Okay, is equal to minus of minus 424 by 15 square 225 plus 225 plus 27 square, that is 49, 14, 28 and 32, 4 plus 3, 729, that is 729. So what about the value of this one? That is 424 by 729, 729, that is 14, and this is 5, and this is 9. Calculation part me చూసుకోండి ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే. So h is equal to 15 into 424 by 954, and k is equal to minus 27 into 450 by 954. So this is one more point. Okay. So what about that point? Directly I am writing like this. This one is. This is the point. So these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means area is equal to 0, or you find the equation of line by using these two lines and substitute this point, or slopes is equal to 0. 3 points ఉన్నాయి కదా, 3 points collinear అంటే 3 points collinear means we can do one way, slopes equal. This is the best procedure. Slopes equal. Second, find equation of line by using 2 points and put third point on the line. If it satisfies, then, and third one, area of triangle is equal to 0. You can do any of the three ways. Okay. So there ends the today's class, and by evening 4:30 we will meet in live study. Okay. Right. Thank you.